Imagine you're sitting on your couch, watching a massive budget Islamic historical movie. You think you're doing something good, right? You're connecting with your history, understanding the stories of the Qur'an, and replacing mainstream trash with something meaningful. But what if I told you that exact movie could actually be a major sin, and it's subtly damaging your faith without you even realizing it? Let's clear the general confusion first. A camera, a screen, a movie, it's just a tool. It's not inherently forbidden, but a tool is defined by what you put into it. If a movie normalizes vulgarity, includes music that deadens your heart, or alters facts, it becomes spiritually toxic. You cannot absorb 2 hours of distraction and then expect to stand on the prayer mat 5 minutes later and feel absolute presence. You are polluting your own focus. But here is the deeper, dangerous part that catches people completely off guard. What about movies about the prophets that actually show their faces or use actors to play them? Major global bodies of Islamic law, including the Al-Azhar Islamic Research Academy and the International Islamic Fiqh Assembly, have issued a strict consensus. It is completely prohibited. Think about it logically. Prophets are chosen by Allah and are protected from moral flaws. An actor is just an ordinary, flawed human being. The Al-Azhar Council warns that when an actor plays a prophet today and then plays a criminal, a villain, or an immoral character in a different movie tomorrow, it destroys their holy prestige in the hearts of Muslims. Whenever you read the Qur'an, your mind will instantly picture a random celebrity instead of the divine reality. Islam strictly blocks any path that leads to the degradation or idolization of holy figures. Entertainment should never cost you your theology. Just because a video has an Islamic title doesn't mean it's pleasing to Allah. Share this with someone who needs to see it, and drop your thoughts in the comments below. Inshallah, I'll see you in the next one.